Oregon Governor Kate Brown says 1 week from today, some counties may be allowed to reopen businesses. At this hour, we have learned that 8 counties submitted plans that will be under review. Remember, the governor has to review that and then decide, but don't expect to see any Portland metro area counties on that list. Lisa Balick, digging deeper into this, joins us live from Tigard with more. Lisa?
Yeah, we're hearing from a lot of people who think that all of Oregon will be reopening for business a week from today, May 15th. That is completely not true. And in fact, the governor emphasized yesterday it will be only starting in the rural counties first, not here.
Everyone seems to be thinking May 15th is the date. But if you listened to the complete conference, she said that the Multnomah County area is more likely going to take longer.
I found out it will likely not be until next month at the earliest that businesses in the Portland metro area could possibly be reopened. We've got some hurdles.
We still have shortages of PPEs in 25% of our hospitals. We're still figuring out who's paying for contact tracers.
The tracers, hundreds of people needed in the metro area based on our population to find and monitor those who may have been exposed to the virus, to help limit the spread and prevent another outbreak.
A minimum of 3 weeks before we are even close to talking about an application.
Keep in mind, to qualify for reopening, a county has to have a decrease in hospitalizations for COVID and meet certain levels of testing and contact tracing, as well as having enough PPE and capacity for handling a surge in cases. Marion County has seen the second highest total number of virus cases, but it is submitting a reopen request. County leaders tell me they've been working with local hospitals and state health leaders, as well as the governor's office, to meet state requirements, including the capacity to manage a new outbreak.
And I think we're starting to feel the pressure that these folks are going to go back to work whether or not the government says they can. And so we really view it as our job to try to make sure that that can be done in as safe a manner as possible.
That's why their plan includes detailed distancing and other precautions and limitations that would be required. Now, the governor has said that she, early next week, will announce which counties have met the requirements to reopen again with a lot of restrictions. We will be keeping track of that throughout the weekend as counties come under review, and we should have all of that list by early next week. Go to KOIN.com for the latest on this. Live in Tigard, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.